Hello students, so today I am going to explain you question number 1 from exercise 13.2. So let us start. So I wrote here question, a solid is in the shape of cone. So the solid has a cone standing on a hemisphere. So let us draw the figure so that it will be very easy to understand. So there is one solid in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Means what? The radius of base of cone and radius of this top of hemisphere both are same, because it means what? This cone has been fitted into the hemisphere. So the radius, it is 1 centimeter given. This is center, let us take O, and height of the cone is equal to its radius. So height of cone is equal to its radius. So this is from here to here, it will the height of cone, that is equal to radius. And even you can take here the height of this hemisphere, that will be equal to radius always. So remember, so this is 1 centimeter. It is not given, but that is the definition of the hemisphere. Here we'll have everywhere you can take, that will be 1 centimeter only. Find the volume of solid in terms of pi. So this is the final solid, we have to find out its volume. So what we need to do, we have to find the volume of cone and then volume of hemisphere, and then we have to add them. So first of all, we'll write down the given things. Radius of hemisphere equals to, it is given 1 centimeter. So first we'll find out the volume of hemisphere. So let us see a volume of sphere. So no need to separately by heart or memorize the formula. Volume of hemisphere. So we know the volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So just divide it with 2 because we have here hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere, here you will get the hemisphere, divide with 4 by 3 pi r cube, divide with 2. So you will get 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 by 3 into pi. So they said to find the answer in terms of pi, so we have to keep the pi as it is. Then r cube, that is 1 its cube. So 2 by 3, 1 cube is 1 only, 1 into anything is same. 2 by 3 pi, and here we have the r in centimeter, so centimeter cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. Now let us find out the volume of this first part, the volume of cone. So as we know here, radius of base of cone is same as radius of hemisphere. Radius of base of cone is equals to same as 1 centimeter. Even the height is given, height is same as radius. Height of base of cone is 1 centimeter. So the formula of volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So put the values here, 1 upon 3. Pi we have to keep as it is. R is 1 square into height is 1. So finally we got 1 upon 3 pi. 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into anything is same. This is cm cube. Now we'll add these two so that we'll get the total volume of this solid. So therefore, the total volume of solid equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So volume of hemisphere we got as 2 by 3 pi cm cube, 2 by 3 pi centimeter cube. So if you don't want to write here unit, you can it's okay, you can write when you get the final answer. Then volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi cm cube. Then the cm cube will come as common, and this 2 by 3 and even pi will come as common. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 we have to add. So denominator is same, so 3 keep as it is. Then 2 plus 1 we have to add, pi cm cube. So this is 3 by 3 pi cm cube. Next finally you'll get 1. So 1 into pi is pi. So pi cm cube. So the volume of solid is what? Pi cm cube. If you want to know exactly what is the value, so pi is 22/7, you can divide. Otherwise, you know it is constant. So pi is 3.14. So the approximately, we can say that the volume is 3.14 cm cube. I hope you understood this question.